Hello guys, so once again you're all welcome back to Crypto Denzel TV. So guys, please if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment, and also don't forget to smash the bell icon for more updates whenever I release any video. So guys, today without much further ado, I'll be sharing with you a newly launched USDT platform. So guys, let's jump onto this platform right here. So this platform is called Paiwng.vip. Don't worry about the link, it's in my description box below. Kindly click on it so that I could be able to sign up with your account. So guys, without much further ado, let me show you how everything basically works on this platform over here. So over here I will sign out my account and I will register for you guys to see. So guys, let me quickly log out over here so that I will show you guys how to basically register a new account over here. So after clicking on my referral link, all you need to do is to click on this sign up button over here. So we click on the sign up button, you could see that a fresh page will pop up where it says type in your email, your login password, your security password for withdrawal. Then you include any information on your Telegram or your WhatsApp. Then you click on this sign up button to register a new account. I'm already having an account, so I'll just click on this sign in button over here, and now we input my email. Now just type in my password. Now click on sign in. So we do our verification. So guys, login success over here as you can see. So you click on the I know over here. So we click on the I know, then we hit this go button over here. So guys, we got 0.50 USDT over here. So after everything over here, I've already made my deposit into this platform over here. So all I need to do now is to just click on the home button over here. I'll just need to click on this home button over here. Then I'll click on my missing order over here. And I'll just click on this go to finish over here to load for a while. So it says complete successful. So guys, after doing all this, all I need to do again is to click on my withdrawal over here. So I'll click on the withdrawal button over here, and you could see that the withdrawal balance over here is 2 USDT. So what I'll do is to go back to my Binance wallet over here, click on my wallet, click on deposit, then I'll click on deposit USDT over here, copy my Tron TRC20 wallet address. I'll copy it right away. Then I'll input or I'll paste my Tron TRC wallet over here. Then I'll click on confirm. So I need to input the quota over here. Then I'll click on confirm. So guys, withdrawal succeeded over here. So guys, let me show you how you basically earn a lot with this platform over here. So guys, when you come here, you just need to click on this level button over here. So we click on this level button over here. You could see that I'm currently earning with the ETH over here, with this ETH over here, and this ETH gives me $2 each and every day for depositing 12 USDT, and I'm making a total profit of 2 USDT each and every day. And over here guys, you need to top up with 110, which they've already given you $60 already in your balance, and you just need to top up with 50 USDT so that you could be able to earn 8.50 USDT each and every day with this platform over here. And this one too, the big time over here, big time also needs a deposit of 180 USDT so that you could be able to earn 21 USDT, which they've already credited you with 60, and you just need to top up with a little amount so that you could be able to earn 21 USDT each and every day. And we have the TWT over here. You just need to top up with 340 and you'll be earning 50 USDT each and every day, guys, and the total profit will be 2,950 over here. So guys, that's how everything basically works on this platform. After doing that, you click on the home button over here, then you click on this deposit button over here. After clicking on this deposit button, you just need to copy the address over here, copy this whole address over here, go back to your Binance wallet or your Binance or any wallet that you are having. You make it. So guys, boom, my 2 USDT has been successfully deposited into my account successfully over here. So guys, as you can see, 2 USDT has been deposited successfully. Let me check everything over here. So guys, let me check. So guys, as you can see here, it seems like my withdrawal has been successful over here. So guys, as you can see, 2 USDT has been submitted to my wallet just now over here. So we can confirm the date, 2023 October 17th, 9:24. As you can see, the time 9:25, 9:24 over here. Everything is intact, and guys, this site is really paying. So after you copy this address, you go back to your Binance or any wallet that you're having, you make the payment, then you make the deposit. Then after that, you click on this mission button to complete your missions each and every day with this platform over here. So guys, also you can share with your friends and family over here so that you could be able to earn more and more with this platform over here. So I have a team size of 1. Okay, so you just need to copy this your referral link over here so that you can be able to share with your friends on your social media platform and earn a lot of money when people sign up or deposit to this platform. So guys, once again, I've made a live withdrawal, a live deposit on this platform, and you guys saw my withdrawal over here, and my withdrawal was successful over here, 2 USDT. And let me confirm from this platform over here. So let me check my withdrawal records over here. I'll click on this finance records. I'll click on the withdrawal over here. You could see that I made a mission and I withdrew 2 USDT over here, and the basic account over here, you can see I deposited 12 USDT, and they've already credited you with 60, so you just need to top up with 12 in order to earn more with this platform over here. So guys, once again, thank you for watching Crypto Denzel TV. If you find my videos really informative, just give me a thumbs up